Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a common vegetable. It's the spinach. Let's start drawing like this. It's a bundle of spinach, two steps of rope you can see here. Now we are going to draw few leaves. The leaves you see here. To the right side, another leaf. This is the leaf here. So lots of spinach you can see here. This is the sticks of the drawing, and the straight line we can draw under this bundle. These are all parallel sticks. Lines are parallel too. Few sticks are not uniform or the same length. Lengths are different. So this is the basic outline we have drawn just now. Now we can put the dark green in the middle. Let's make a outline with less depth, with a very light stroke of the pen tip. The strokes shouldn't be harder. Let's put few lighter strokes, as you can see I'm doing right now, and few outlines like this. All of these should be the lighter strokes. As you know, along these outlines we'll put the dark green color, and in other parts it's going to have light green color. So you can see the drawing. Now let's put the dark green color along the outlines, as you see. The drawing of the spinach is getting more lively as we are forwarding to the completion. Please do not skip any parts of the drawing because you know maybe in some places you can have some important instructions which may be useful in the steps of your learning. So if you observe the doing of shading in all parts, in all the areas of the leaves here, then this is good for your learning. That's why you need to watch the whole details as we're drawing right now. So the border outlines of each leaves are also darker. We'll put light green in the middle places where some places are left white for making the variations in shades, dark and light. Now we're putting the lighter color here. It's becoming a nice leaves vegetables. The more it looks good, the better it tastes. All the fresh green vegetables are very green. Most of them are leafy. Many of them are regular vegetables too. So the color of light green is making the drawing a uniform one. Alright. Let's put a different color for the bundle part. Okay. And for the ground, we can put some shades with the crayon color. Draw like this. Few shades of crayon here. Finally, you can use the pen to elaborate some details extensively. Maybe few leaves you can put shades like this, because there are lots of scopes for putting shades in each drawing. Many places left behind, always left behind for improvement. So the perfection is never going to an end. Now we are putting few shades like the dark shades with the sketch like effect for the lips. Alright, so this is the complete drawing and the color of the spinach. Thanks for watching. If you like, please subscribe the channel. Stay alive, stay healthy, stay nice. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.